15 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pomona, or near New City, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Haverstraw around 5:25 p.m. New City around 5:30 p.m. Suffern and Muncie around 5:35 p.m. Ramsey and Nanuet around 5:40 p.m. Nyack and Pearl River around 5:45 p.m. Tarrytown and Orangeburg around 5:50 p.m. Ridgewood and Tappan around 5:55 p.m. Yonkers and Paramus around 6 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.